The workflow in Flex is essentially divided into three main modes: design mode, animate mode, and preview mode. And as the name suggests, you'll be designing in design mode, you'll be layering on interactivity and animations in animate mode, and you'll use preview mode to preview everything you've put together. Looking at design mode first, it's pretty straightforward. You have your canvas here, that's where you'll add all of your content. You have your toolbar here, which houses all of the tools, including text tools, shapes, your media imports, embed, Flex AI, as well as pre-built sections that you can drag and drop onto the canvas and then update as you need. Full pages, stackable sections, or individual components. Above the toolbar is your themes and styles. Here you can set the colors that you want to use throughout your experience, as well as set the font size and characteristics of the different text styles or text levels that you want to use in your experience. Next to that is your pages and layers panel. This is where you can add and arrange pages, as well as organize, manage, and configure the different content that you have on the canvas. When you add something to the canvas, it'll show up in the layers panel as well. You can also hide things, lock things, and rename them in the layers panel. On the other side of the UI is the inspector panel. The inspector panel contextually shows options for something you have selected on the canvas. For instance, if I were to select a text box, the options in the inspector panel are contextual to that text box, including how I want it to size, how to position it, its color, and the different text style configurations. So everything you select will have different options in the inspector panel, but that's where you'll configure it and set it up after adding it to the canvas. Moving over to the Animate tab, this is where you can select something on the canvas and apply animations, interactions, or scroll effects. Flex streamlines the process and makes it far more visual, so you simply just select something, apply the animation that you want, and save it. Then, once you've added your content to the canvas and you've configured it with animations or interactions, you can switch over to preview mode to see how it all works together. Then, if everything looks good, go ahead and hit the publish button and publish your experience to generate a live URL and an embed code.